DIY timber floor sanding projects often fail due to a lack of experience and equipment. Inexperienced individuals may underestimate the skill needed to operate sanding machines, resulting in uneven surfaces, dips, or gouges that compromise the floor's integrity. Without professional-grade tools, attaining a smooth, uniform finish is challenging, and using incorrect sandpaper grit can lead to scratches or failure to remove old finishes adequately. Furthermore, DIY enthusiasts might not properly prepare the floor, leading to dust contamination or adhesion issues. The meticulous process of sanding floors requires attention to detail and patience. Any rush can cause irreversible damage. Incorrect application of finish or sealant post-sanding can also ruin the floor's appearance. These errors not only detract from the aesthetic but can also necessitate costly repairs, often leading to the conclusion that professional floor sanding services are a worthwhile investment.